It's being decided today who's going to be the next superpower. Is it going to be China or is it going to be the United States? If you've read any of these books, you're up to date. But today, we just escalated last Friday the semiconductor war with China. We have basically stated that you, China, cannot have any of the technology that we have developed to produce high-level semiconductors. And if any of our citizens, and that includes companies and people, assist China in becoming the superpower with the control of semiconductors, they will lose their citizenship. That happened last Friday. And it's going to change the world we live in. It's going to de-globalize the world. You need to know about it to invest.